All right, hello.
New teacher.
Hi, what's your name?
Name is Mạnh Quân.
What? Okay, very nice. And Kwon, how old are you?
We're 12 years old.
12 years old. Okay, that's very good. Okay, now Kwon, can you tell me, what do you like doing in your free time?
I I play game.
You like playing games. Very nice, very nice. What games do you like to play? What's your favorite game?
It's
So, like, do you like Free Fire? Do you like Liquid Mobile? What game do you like?
is Minecraft.
Roblox. Okay, Roblox is a very nice game, very interesting. And what about food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Chicken. Okay, that's very delicious. All right, okay. Kwan, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. Now, Tony goes to LA and becomes a famous movie star. Ooh. Now, does Tony go to New York?
No.
No, very good job. Does Tony go to Texas?
No.
No, excellent. Does Tony go to LA?
Yeah.
Yes, that is excellent. So now, Kwan, where does Tony go?
Tony go to LA.
LA, very good job. Perfect. Okay, now, does Tony become a teacher in LA?
No.
No, very good. Does Tony become a fireman in LA?
No.
No, perfect. Does Tony become a famous movie star in LA?
Yes.
Yes, that is correct. So, what does Tony become in LA?
Movie star.
A movie star. He becomes a famous movie star. Excellent. Very good job. Now, last question. Although everyone loves him, he still feels lonely in LA. Ooh. Now, does Tony feel happy in LA?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Does Tony feel happy in LA?
No.
No. Does Tony feel worried in LA?
No.
No. Very good. Does Tony feel lonely in LA?
Yeah.
Yes, that is excellent. So, how does Tony feel in LA?
Lonely.
Lonely. Okay, that is excellent. All right. Very good job, Quan. Thank you so much. You did excellent. I'm very proud of you and thank you. Now let's say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Quan.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you.